Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily favorite or unfavorite photos and videos on your iPhone's photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Photos app. Then you can get into some album, let it be recent, and right from here you can open up any photo or any video, and towards the very bottom you can easily find that heart icon. You can tap on that to like some photo or video. When this icon is highlighted, that means that this photo is liked now. And then you can easily find all your liked photos and videos at albums. Just get into albums, where you can easily find favorites album. You can just get into it to see all photos and videos that you have liked. And also right from here you can easily unliked photos. You can just open it up and then hit at the heart icon again to unlike it. That's it. Now you know how you can easily favorite and unfavorite photos and videos on your iPhone. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.